Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to kick someone off of your Netflix account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Netflix application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Once you have logged in, you can choose your profile from the Who's Watching screen. Now, after logging into your profile account, you will be taken into the home page from which you can browse through the various different shows that you may want to watch. Now, in case there is someone else logged into your Netflix account and you wish to remove them, then in order to do this, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner and then tap on account. Now, from the account page, if you scroll down, you will find the Manage Access and Devices option underneath Security and Privacy. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will now list up all of the various different profiles or devices that are logged into your Netflix account. Now, if you wish to kick off any user or device, you can monitor their activity and then tap on the sign out button underneath their activity session. Go ahead and tap on sign out, and the device that you just selected will be kicked out from your Netflix account and it will be signed out right away. You can do this with as many number of devices as you want by scrolling down and checking the various devices that are logged in. You can also tap on sign out of all devices if you wish to remove every other device that has been connected to your account with a single click. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to kick someone off of your Netflix account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.